Hi guys, we will discuss today about Circumcenter and we will try to get a skill. Let's see, we have ABC perpendicular bisector of the triangle PQR. So here is the triangle PRQ and perpendicular bisector, just remember, are those lines that are perpendicular to the sides. You can see the 90-degree angle and that bisect the sides. So these segments should be equal. I will label them just to remember. So we have one perpendicular bisector, this is C, another perpendicular bisector of the triangle, this is B, and the third perpendicular bisector of the triangle here is A. These perpendicular bisectors, as you can see, are intersecting in the point A, so this should be the circumcenter. And now you remember the property of the circumcenter, that is at equal distances from the vertices of the triangle. So these lines, these segments AP should be equals AP, AR and AQ. All these segments are equals. So this will be helpful to solve the problem. What can we should find? X, Y, and Z. So let's see where is X is on the segment AR. Y is, should be the length of the segment AP. I will not start with this relationship to be equal because I have X and Y and I cannot solve it at the beginning. But I will start here on the sides PQ. I see that this segment is 18 and the other segment is 7z plus 4, and because I have a perpendicular bisector, that means that this should be equal. So 18 equals 7z plus 4. In order to solve this equation, I will subtract 4. So I will have 14 equals 7z. Just divide by 7 and you get z equal 2. The next step, let's try to find by example x, knowing that AR is equal with AQ. So I have the equation 8x plus 16 should be equal with 24. So just clear the space here and now we can continue. So 8x plus 16 I said equal with 24. Just subtract 16 on both sides to isolate x. So 8x remains that it's equal with 24 minus 16 is an 8. Just divide by 8 and you find the solution x equal 1. And the last step is to find the y. So again, we remember we discussed this before. 8x plus 16 should be equal with 5y minus 6. So let's write this equation and try to solve. 8x plus 16 equals with 5y minus 6. If you remember, I need here to plug in the x, but x was 1. So 8 times 1 plus 16 equals 5y minus 6. So let's calculate the left side. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 16 will be 24 equals 5y minus 6. Isolate y, so add a 6 on both sides. I get 30 equal